Unit 4. Bird watching.
I want to go bird watching tomorrow. Do you know a good area for birds?
There is a quiet park near here. There are always many beautiful birds there.
Will I be able to see different types of birds in this area?
Yes, I think so. If you use binoculars, you can see the birds even if they are far away.
Great! I have a book about all the different types of birds.
It seems as if you really like bird watching.
Yes, I do. Would you like to come with me tomorrow?
No, thank you. I think bird watching is boring.
That's not true. Birds are very interesting. Some birds have colorful feathers. Some birds sing beautiful songs. Some birds make special nests to lay eggs in.
Really? Maybe I will go bird watching one day after all.